My name is Stephanie Saylor, and this is a visual phasing workshop. We will be discussing how to edit a PowerPoint template. I have provided you with a PowerPoint template to use today, but you can edit or make your own to do this project if you so desire in the future, or if you will not be using PowerPoint as the program to do your visual phasing project. You will want to prepare it before we begin working in GEDmatch, so you have it to collect the chromosome browser information. My template, pictured on the screen, has editable information in red, so you can highlight what you want to change and type over it. Some information, like the names of siblings and their GEDmatch numbers, can be changed using the Find and Replace feature. Highlight and copy the information for one sibling, like it's pictured on the screen. You can copy by pressing Control and the button C at the same time, and then once you release those buttons, press Control and F at the same time to activate the Find feature in PowerPoint and most Windows computers. If you're using a Mac, this is the same, except you substitute the Command button for the Control button. A dialog box will appear, and you can paste the information you copied by pressing Control V. And then press the Replace button on the right-hand side of the dialog box. Then you can type the actual name of the sibling in the Replace With box and click the Replace All button, which will then appear under the Replace button. If you only want to replace one instance, just push the Replace button, but Replace All will replace all instances of sibling Q, GEDmatch number throughout your whole document. Word to the wise is be careful with the Find and Replace feature, as if you try to replace a letter or number alone, all instances of that letter or number will be replaced, possibly making a lot of things for you to need to fix. If you have a lot of instances of that number or letter in your document, even within other words. I have the letters representing sibling names on the template as Q, Z, and X so that they can be easily replaced at the beginning of your project, as well as the siblings and GEDmatch numbers, which are listed on each slide for your chromosomes 1 through 22 for your ease in working with this project. Each chromosome, as I just mentioned, has its own slide or page in the template. Make sure you have the comparisons labeled at these bullet points. So each of these letters stand for a sibling. So sibling Q compared with sibling Z would become Annette and Bill are being compared in this comparison. And we'll insert the picture for that comparison right underneath. And then we have a comparison for Annette and Charlie, and we put a picture of that comparison underneath. Then we have the comparison of Bill and Charlie, and that picture would go underneath. We also have the names of each sibling's map we're going to build on the side. So Q, Z, and X would be replaced by the names by name. So Annette, Bill, and Charlie. And we'd also have all this information on the side replaced. Sibling Q, GEDmatch number with the name of the sibling and their GEDmatch number for all three. Pause the video now and take the time to personalize your template as you desire, or make your template as you may need to and personalize it before moving on to the next step.